guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a quick tidy up clean with me video. I'm also going to be having Presley help me clean. She absolutely loves it, so I am going to be doing a toddler cleaning edition on my channel today. I'm so excited about this, but right now we are just going to start by cleaning the kitchen. We are just cleaning it up, so I just wait to wipe down the counters, and then we're also going to be just vacuuming everything up and just picking everything up that doesn't belong. And like I said, this is just going to be something fast. I do this almost every single day, just so I don't have to have a full load of cleaning.
I'm breathing just to feel my body. You're screaming just to say you're sorry when it don't turn out the way you planned. It was more than a feeling, from the floor to the ceiling. I wish I knew how to tell you that I need someone to believe in, 'cause it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I'm gone. You gotta let me know. It hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I'm gone. You gotta let me know. I'm screaming now. It's not about the walls you break in. It's when you stop, the world keeps shaking, and I don't want to be apart. And then I heard it in the morning, and then I saw it in the evening, and then you said without a warning that you need someone to believe in, 'cause it
Also in this video, I had a company from Light Ever contact me, and they wanted me to try out these under cabinet sensor lights. I was so excited about this because our kitchen has zero lighting, so in the dark, if we want to bake or do a craft or something in here, we can't because it is just so dark. But I really like these. These have a touch control panel on one side, so if you touch it once, it has an always on mode, and if you touch it 2 times, there is a purple flashing signal, so it will turn on the auto motion sensor mode, and then you can also like just turn off the light. But I really thought this was cool that it was like a motion sensor, so if you are like between like 9 feet away from it, it will just turn on automatically, but I didn't want that setting on, but I love that you can just touch it and it turns right on. The other thing I really liked about this was they are rechargeable, and they have a warm white 3000K light. But I was really excited to use this, so all you had to do, so it came with everything to turn it on, and all you did, they were magnetic little things, so you just put the light in the little magnetic strip, and then they had these little sticky like command hooks. Then you just stick them right underneath your counter, so you didn't even have to mount them, which I don't like putting holes into things. But I did end up putting all 3 up. I ended up putting 2 on one side of my kitchen closer to the oven because that's where I like to cook, and that's where we do a lot of our crafts. And then I put one on the other side next to our microwave just so we had some lighting over there as well. But I loved how these put up, and these were so simple and so easy to do. So if you want to check these out, I will leave the links in the description box below, so you'll be able to get a set of 3 for yourself. I just am so in love with these. I cannot wait to use these at night. So then now we're just in the dining room, so I'm just going to clear off the whole entire table, and then I had Presley help me clean a couple of the chairs just because when she sits in them, they are just like a disgusting mess. So that's all we're going to do in this room, and then I'm also going to vacuum. We have just a ton of crumbs and cat hair and stuff that just kind of collects everywhere, so I always make sure I try to vacuum every single day. And I don't know if you guys seen this video, but if you haven't, I'll leave the link in the description box. But I love my Lazy Susan sitting here. I think it looks so cute. And then now into the living room. I'm only going to be doing these 3 rooms just because these are the only rooms that people actually see when they come over. Not that I like invite people to come over or anything, but I guess if the UPS guy drops all my Target boxes off, like he won't think that we live in a disgusting mess. But yeah, this is Presley. She's getting mad because I wasn't letting her vacuum. So I just wanted to hurry and get it done, but eventually I just gave it to her, so she was happy. But yeah, so that is it. So I just pick everything up in here and then I just vacuum, and that is it. Alright you guys, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I hope this helped some kind of motivation, or like, you know, even if you don't clean your house all the time, if you just pick it up, nobody's going to tell that you don't clean the house every day. That is just a little tip from me. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
All my feelings and thoughts pulled out. If we only can have tonight, I don't wanna waste no time. It's okay with me if it's all there will ever be. I stay awake just to watch you sleep, alright. And I don't wanna waste no time. Are we done before we even started? We're drifting away and talking is